cool off for like 20 to 30 minutes. En lo que espero, salud. Alright, so now the question is how much rum? So if you're new to this, to keep it easy, just 1 cup. You don't want it to be too strong. If it's too strong, then you're just not going to enjoy it, but if it's not that strong, then you know, you're going to ask if there's rum. Next is what I like to call La Familia Chin Chin cinnamon. Chin Chin, Chin Chin, nutmeg. Chin Chin, Chin Chin, then vanilla extract. Chin Chin. Si te das cuenta, Coquito, esto a ojo. And there you have it. You have Coquito.